Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. Today we are beginning a new course on our channel. This course is called Easy Basic Course of Tarot. Firstly, we will be learning the basics of tarot in this course. Secondly, we will teach it to you in a very easy manner, easy to understand manner. Now when we say easy basic course, a lot of us are very hard pressed on time in today's day and age. So this course is meant to be a very short course in which you understand the basics in a very quick manner. We will keep the videos very short, maybe 2 to 5 minutes in length, so that you can listen to the videos. Even when you have very little time, you can listen to these videos. Gradually, when listening to these videos maybe once, twice, thrice, you will be able to memorize the meanings, the interpretations, the readings. Once the basics are understood, those of you who want to go into the in-depth courses, we are currently running an in-depth course, the advanced course. The playlist of that is also available on the channel. We will also be starting an intermediate course or a professional course, so you can move on to those courses after completing the easy basic course. Now in the easy basic course, we will be learning 5 things. First, we will understand what tarot is, what a tarot deck is, how to choose a tarot deck, and what tarot cards are. Second, we will understand what are the components, different components, or what is the structure of a tarot deck, what are the different types of cards in a tarot deck, and how do you make out what card is which card, how to recognize what kind of a card the card that you have in hand is. After that, third, we will understand the meaning of each card individually. Every single card we will understand individually. Then after that, number 4, we will understand the basic spreads. I will teach you the spreads, what their meanings are, what are the meaning of the positions of each card, how to read a spread, how to lay out a tarot card spread, and how to interpret the spread. After we have understood all of this and also individual spreads, finally, number 5, we will understand how to do a reading, how to do a complete reading. So you will be able to do a complete reading for an individual by the end of this easy basic course of tarot. So friends, let us begin our journey and let us start with the first tutorial of our course. In this first video, we will start by understanding what is tarot. So friends, we will have a beautiful journey together. In order to keep track of when the new videos are being uploaded, and in order to be informed that the new lesson has been uploaded, you can subscribe to our channel. You can also hit the notification bell.